Welcome to the next video of our complete engine rebuild guide. This time we will take care of the ignition by removing the flywheel and the stator. In today's video we will take a look at what tools we need to complete this job, a step-by-step guide on how to complete it, and in the end we will do a hardware roundup to make sure that we do not lose any of our precious hardware. To make following the content easier, you can pause this video at any moment. That said, let's take a look at what tools we need. For today's job, we will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a ratchet driver, a 19mm socket, a Vespa large frame specific flywheel puller tool, a Vespa specific flywheel holding tool, and two M6 screws we previously removed from the flywheel fan cover. We also need a open-end 21mm wrench and a permanent marker. With our tools ready, let's take a look at the step-by-step guide on how to get this job done. Mount and tighten down the flywheel holding tool using the two bolt holes to the left and above the shifter box for the flywheel fan cover. Gently pry off the flywheel nut cover. Apply constant pressure to loosen the flywheel nut. If it is too hard to loosen, you can apply heat to break thread locker. Now remove the flywheel nut. Remove the flywheel holding tool. Loosen the flywheel pulling nut and thread in the flywheel puller on the flywheel. With a 21mm wrench, hold it in place and then firmly tighten the pulling bolt until you can remove the flywheel. Due to the magnetic field, it needs a little wiggle to pull off the flywheel. Loosen and remove the flywheel pulling tool as well as the lock washer that sits underneath. Using a permanent marker, mark your stator position on the engine case. Loosen and remove the three screws holding in place the stator. Feed the stator wiring through the junction box and remove the stator. Before we put away the hardware, let's make sure we have everything. After this job we are left with the flywheel, a M12 lock washer nut and flywheel nut cover, the stator, and three M5 screws with washer and spring washer. Thank you for watching. Click here to get to the next video in this series. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you like this, you can support us on Patreon. The link is in the description down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.